plug the keyboard into the port.
So I will be showing you how to use your keyboard and controller as a mouse for schoolwork like Hub and Teams, etc. So first of all, using your controller, you have to press it and then type in Hub on your keyboard, and then just press enter like you would on a normal keyboard, and then you have to use your controller to go onto Hub and press onto Hub and log into your account, but I already logged in. And then just what you would do to use your details like password, and then go down to Office 365 and then you can just go into my apps, and these are all the apps you should have, and then you can just go into Teams and join into meetings. And then if you wanted to talk like voice, you could just put your headphones on and use your mic as your microphone talking, or you could just use your keyboard to put things in the chat. So as you can see here, you can just press in there and use your keyboard to type in like anything, like 14 if 14 was an answer and yet put it down, or like if it was maths or something, there was like 16,345, something like that, and you can just use it for anything like that. And you can also see your calendar. It's just loading. And as you can see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then your assignments. So basically what work you've been sent, and activity. So then if you go back to your apps now, you can use Word, new blank document, and just type in and anything you would normally on a keyboard and mouse. So let's say like school, say like food, music, and anything like that you can type in. Or even if you just wanted to do a story, or anything you want, like you would do on a normal computer. So close that, and then if you go back to all your apps, you can use PowerPoint to say if you wanted to make a PowerPoint for school. And you could just do what you would normally do on a computer in school, and then you can just use your keyboard again to type in it, like Queen, and then add a new slide, like say this slide, and then just type in stuff about, like, say you put a queen here, like Queen Elizabeth, and then just type stuff about Queen Elizabeth, maybe added a picture of her. And then if you close that again and go back to all of your apps, these are all the apps that you would have to use. So you'd have like Calendar, Forms, OneNote, Excel over here, and Sway Video, and then all the apps are here down at the bottom again. And then say if you wanted to log out of your account, you could just go back there, sign out, and that is basically how you use your keyboard and controller as US on your Xbox.